In this video, I'm going to show you how I color hawks using cheap alcohol markers. First, let's make all the materials ready. And by the way, this paper is just a normal printer paper, while this pen is from Uniball. So now, let's start with the sexy lines.
I've been trying my best not to think about you, but you're stuck in my mind. I've been hypnotized by you, hey. All the suffering and pain got me feeling so blue. Cause when it was us, I was never enough. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah. I've been worrying about my mental health, cause when I'm alone, I keep checking my phone, yeah. Seeing all these people, having someone to lean on, while I don't. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up.
Finally done with the sexy lines. Now let's choose some colors and I'm going to start coloring first the skin. These are the colors that I'll be using for the skin. You can add more shades of color if necessary or if you want. You can start coloring from light to dark or dark to light. It's all up to you.
Yeah. Dose. Yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out below. Keep it a buck, I don't always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice to the gang and we making a killing. It's 2020 and they notice the vision. You be the hero, I'm playing the villain. The underdogs and we walking the villain. We getting money, yeah, they think that we dealing. They talking hot, yeah, they abundance and we won't stop till we all touch $1 million. Don't ever forget, but we probably forgive them. I'm living, taking the cause that was given. My blessings is already written. Wrapped little ribbon, putting ourselves in positions to making some major decisions. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out below. Look, I'm trying to get where I'm going, but haters be trolling, that's where they thinking you got me right where you want me. I tell a ghost just Doug sending them shots.
So at this moment, I noticed that the skin is a bit light. So I think it will be nice if we add dark brown to add more contrast to the skin.
Sugar spice and everything nice, mix it up, now you gotta slice. We bridging the gap, they want us to rap, so go we back. Yeah. Drew need a plaque, we turn to the max and we never lacked. Yeah. Been in my bag, it's a drag, I'm feeling jet lagged. Yeah. Came back for vacation, I ain't unpacked, cause I'm going back, facts. Ooh, double the racks, TD the bank, your CD's blank, your Cuban is link, smoking that dank, pour up a drink, fill up the tank. Do you think I ain't the one, but I'm the one? Who does I who? He gon' dumb, you hear them drums, came from the slums, they know we the ones, yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out below. Keep it a buck, I don't fuck.
These are the colors that I'll be using for the eyes. And this light gray is for the shadow of upper eyelid.
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna.
Now let's proceed. And these are the colors that I'll be using coloring the hair.
It can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live.
And this time, I will be applying first the dark color to light color.
No worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down.
Finally, we are done with the skin and hair. Now let's proceed to those accessories. And these are the colors that I will be using.
So, clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost a stepping. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping. Put on for the whole city. Yeah, I got them rocking with me. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping. Sending emojis. I'm blowing a pack of that OG. Don't be acting like you know me. And if you did, that's the old me. Winter time, rock a cold fleece. Pocket fat, that's obese. Only talking money if it's ink.
For the feathers, these are the colors that I will be using. By the way, in my own advice, always use at least 3 or more shades of color to get a semi-realistic result in your drawing.
ISO gang, yeah, they still with us. I put it in motion, they got me steady. Thoughts on my mind, it's weighing heavy. Watch how I shine, tell them I'm ready. I'm hitting my stride, let's get to the fetty. I was just sitting back watching them fold. Racks on me now, yeah, it's looking swole. I hold it down and I got my own. Keeping it grown, we back to the bone. Yeah, flying flashy, ayy, ayy. We too fancy, ayy, ayy. Can't walk past me, ayy, ayy. Right up your alley, wait, I gotta play it safe. Watch me isolate, watch me isolate, ayy. Watch me isolate, whoa. Clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over.
Finally, this is the last color that I'll be using coloring the t-shirt.
Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. Got me thinking that I'm famous. I remember when I prayed for this. No sleep, cause I'm anxious. All this for entertainment. Crazy thinking that it's day one. All this spinach for the taking. Yeah.
Just don't forget to add your signature, and we are finally 100% done. So now, enjoy the final reveal, brothers and sisters.
I hit recorded drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, vintage frames on my face, looking like I'm from the D. These no car